We're in apartment 324. This is an Arabian floor plan. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. And we walked into the kitchen here and you can see you've got these great stainless appliances, a beautiful black backsplash and wood floors. Lots of granite countertop space in here. And then you have this wonderful island. So the island has extra storage and a place for your microwave. And one of my favorite things is that it does have a lip on it too. So you can actually tuck in your bar stools completely here. So wonderful area for entertaining. And then along the wall here, this first door is actually your full-size stackable washer and dryer. And then this door next to it is your coat closet. And then as you can tell, this kitchen actually is overlooking your living space as well. So we'll take a look at this. I'm loving this yellow in here. It's very summery. And this one goes right out to your personal terrace. So I'll show you this angle first, and then we'll head out to the terrace. So these actually have a screen door as well. So on nice days, you can actually open this and get some nice air coming through. And then you walk out to this really nice sized terrace. This one in particular overlooks the west courtyard. So you can see they're doing a little construction, but they'll have grills out there, and it has some hammocks and just some general seating. Lots of space here. And then we walk back inside. We'll go check out the bedroom. So take a little turn here. And this is the bedroom. So you can see it has those expansive windows letting in a lot of light there. It does have the ceiling fan. And just for reference, this is a king size bed in here. So it fits nicely along with the side table. And then you have this really nice size mirror and another drawer set. And this particular design actually has this really nice pocket door here, so it doesn't take up any space in your bedroom for opening, but you can access your bathroom directly from your bedroom, in addition to the hallway door as well, which you see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut this for a second and give you a view of the bathroom. So in here you can see you have similar cabinets to the kitchen, so lots of extra storage in here with those, and you do have extra space on your counter in your bathroom. So really spacious bathroom. And then here's your tiled shower. So the tile goes all the way to the ceiling. It's really beautiful with this black hardware. And then you keep walking and you're into your California walk-in closet. So this is fully customizable. You can move around those shelves any way that you'd like. It's quite large. So you can walk in here, and then there's actually still storage behind the door as well. And I'll give you this angle of the bathroom too, so you can see it goes right into the bedroom there if you want it to. And you can always shut that door. Let's go check out that kitchen one more time.